If you're looking to accept terms and signatures with a single link, you're in the right place. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you how you can streamline this process with just one link, saving you time and effort. First off, let's address the obvious problem. Managing contracts and agreements can be a hassle, especially when you need to get signatures and approval from multiple parties. If you're tired of sending multiple emails or chasing people to accept terms, you'll want to stick around. I'll walk you through the simplest solution. The software we'll be using makes it incredibly easy to send a single link that lets recipients accept terms and sign documents online. This method eliminates the need for complicated processes or waiting on physical signatures. You can instantly send a link, and all parties can accept terms and sign documents from anywhere, at any time, with just a few clicks. So, how does it work? It's simple. The first step is to create your document or agreement in the software. Most platforms allow you to upload PDFs, Word documents, or even create agreements from scratch. Once your document is ready, the next step is to add the required fields for signature and acceptance. This is typically done by placing signature boxes and terms acceptance checkboxes where needed. Now, here's where the magic happens. Instead of sending out individual emails or manually chasing signatures, you'll just generate a single unique link. This link can be sent via email or text, and the recipient can access it directly. When they click on the link, they'll be directed to the document, where they can review and sign it in a secure digital environment. They don't even need to create an account to sign. This process not only saves time, but also reduces the risk of errors or confusion. The software automatically tracks who signed and when, keeping everything in one place for you to easily manage. You'll also get notifications whenever a signature is completed, so you're always up to date. If you're wondering which software to use, I've tested all the popular options out there, and the one I recommend in this video offers a seamless, user-friendly experience. Plus, I've got an exclusive free trial link for you in the description below, just for my viewers. So if you want to follow along, click that link to try it out for yourself. Let's quickly recap the main steps. First, upload your document to the software. Next, add the signature fields and any checkboxes for terms acceptance. Then, generate a single link to send to your recipients. That's it. With just one link, your terms are accepted and signatures are collected, all in a secure digital format. Before we wrap up, here's your key takeaway. Accepting terms and signatures with a single link streamlines your workflow, saves you time, and ensures a smooth, professional experience for both you and your recipients. It's a game changer if you're dealing with contracts and agreements regularly. And don't forget, if you want to take full advantage of this tool, check out the exclusive free trial in the description. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.